Perdóname, ¿sabes dónde está una oficina de cambio?
No.
No lo sabes, ¿eh?
No, no tengo idea. Ahí hay un banco.
As you maybe know, the situation in Argentina about the economy is pretty bad.
No hay plata.
The inflation is at super high levels. Now I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you how to change money in Argentina. You may ask, well, what's so interesting? You should know that the official rate in Argentina, comparing to dollars, euro, pound, is kept blocked, frozen by the government, so by the central bank. But the unofficial rate is way, way, way different. And when I say it's different, I don't say, well, maybe a 10, 20% more or less. No, it's like completely different. If you change money in the Bureau de Change, exchange offices, you will get 2 or 3 times more than what you would have if you withdraw money from an ATM. Now, you may wonder, how is that possible? Well, I don't know. But I will show you how to do it. On the internet, you will find many blog posts, many articles that explain you how to do that. The thing is, they tell you something which is not completely true. They tell you something like, okay, you have to go on a busy street in the center, find somebody who probably will approach you, and he will take you to a secret place, a bit secluded, a bit, you know, in a alley, where there are these cuevas, which means cave, which are this little exchange office, unofficial, and there you will have a very good rate. So it sounds something a little bit shady, you know. I also would say a bit dangerous, because maybe, you know, you go in these unofficial places, maybe they may scam you, you know, they may give you fake money, or I don't know, or maybe they just steal your money, you never know. So I went to see myself, asking to local people, of course, and they pointed me to the place. Another way that I know, that I heard about it, to get Argentinian pesos at a good rate, is basically you self-wire to yourself some money with Western Union. Now, I haven't tried that yet, but for sure you pay a commission. I don't know exactly how much, it can be something around 7%, maybe less, maybe 5%, whatever. But I mean, if you don't have any cash with you, probably this is the way. But I highly suggest you to bring some cash with you. Yeah, of course, if you bring, I don't know, 10,000 euros, maybe you stay all the time, you know, scared, I mean, freaking out if somebody steal your money. I mean, but bring some cash. Now we are heading to Plaza San Martin, which is a square where all these Bureau de Change, these exchange offices are. So you will see with your eyes how to do it. Because me too, before coming here, I was a little bit worried, you know, I was thinking, well, will it be so easy? Yes. And people told me you will get twice the money compared to the official rate, which honestly sounded a little bit too good to be true, you know. What I found out, you will get almost 3 times more the official rate. This is Plaza San Martin. The place is quite busy. The city is very crowded. People go around, they like to walk. Look at that. It's a Monday and it's 5 p.m. And yeah, look at that. Everybody's in the street, everybody walking. Okay, this is the center, but still. Hola amigo. But still, you know, compared to other capitals. Well, and also I should tell you that I love Argentinian people. I love everybody here. I love women, men. They are so friendly, they are so... Okay, maybe the fact that I'm Italian helps. They love Italians, I don't know why. Maybe because many of them are from Italian ancestors. Well, but not only. Also German, Poland, Ukraine, Spanish, of course. Many locals don't know that the foreigners can get this very convenient rate. That's why they don't take advantage, because I've been to 2-3 different hotels, to several restaurants, and no one tried to raise the price because of that. At least here in Cordoba, which is not Buenos Aires, mind, okay? Okay, so this is the street. This is the street that goes from 25 de Mayo, 25 of May, to Plaza San Martin. So keep this name in mind if you want to do it. And here we're gonna head to the office. Now I will show you uncut. On this street there are many bureau de change, but not all have the very good rate. There are also people, guys, men and women. I saw men, I saw women that call you and offer you change. These guys take a commission. I'm not sure if they take it from you or from the office, but we will go directly to the place. So we see, you know, we'll do it virtually. I'm gonna show you the official rate first. You can see. Wait 1 minute. 1 second. Yeah. You see. Right, you saw it. 374. Okay, now I go in the office. Just 1 sec. I don't want people notice me too much that I'm doing this. Hola, ¿tú trabajas aquí?
Sí.
Ah, ok. Bueno, quiero cambiar euro en pesos. Euro por pesos. Quiero vender 100 euros. ¿Cuánto me vas a dar?
Son 94.
94. So it's 94 por un euro.
Claro.
94 euros. Perfecto, ok. Perfecto. Okay, so this is 100 euros, 100 euros. Ok, muchísimas gracias. Ok, adiós. Alright, I'm walking with a big bundle of money in my pocket. So now I go straight to my hotel and I put it in the safe. I mean, it's 100 euros, not 1,000 or 10,000, but still it's a big bundle of money. I'm gonna show you now. As I turn around the corner, I will show you the bundle, okay? So you will see with your eyes. And here there is too many people. Alright, now you saw it. So guys, for today that's all. As you saw, it's quite easy, it's not complicated. It's a pretty good deal. With that money you will get far, believe me, here in Cordoba and in Argentina in general. A very juicy and tasty steak, I mean like sirloin steak, is 5,000, which is €5, and that's pretty good.